Hi everyone, this is Smiley here and welcome to our Levanso platform. In today's episode, I'm going to give you a detailed introduction for the using attention of the Handlebit. Now, let's come and have a close look. In the previous episode, we have already learned how to open the software package. Now, let's review it again. After opening the interface like this, you need to type in the address below into this blank and then click it to download the Handlebit package. So, if you want to use the Handlebit, we must initialize the Handlebit block first. You can see the procedure right here. And after downloading the Handlebit package, you can see there are many function blocks inside it. And so how about this one? If you click the menu choice, you can see there are many functions inside it. It can receive the value of the sound, light, voltage, left and right joystick, ultrasonic, rotary knob, and other sensors. How about the use of the buzzer? If we want to use the music command, we can directly call the command from microbit rather than using the Handlebit package. That means if you want to use the Handlebit to make a sound, you can just use the block inside the music rather than the Handlebit package. So how about the use of the color sensor? Now let's look at the color sensor. You can see the GND, VCC, SDA, SDL port on the color sensor corresponds to the interface on Handlebit. We can just use the DuPont light to connect the color sensor with the Handlebit. And as we mentioned earlier, we need to calibrate the sensors before using it. Now let's review how to calibrate the color sensor. You can see the calibration procedure shown above. We will place a white paper in front of the color sensor, and the distance is about 2 cm. We can press the button 1. Then wait for the buzzer to play the tone and complete the white calibration. Then we will replace the white paper with the black paper. Press the button 4 and finish the black calibration after the buzzer making a sound. So the color recognition can be achieved after this procedure. And here I wanted to give you some warm tips for it. Handlebit needs to turn off the switch every time after downloading the program, then turn on the switch. We need to wait for a while until the battery signal light stops blinking, and that's how we finish the initialization. And then the program will run normally after the steps we take before. So this is the overall introduction for the using attention of the Handlebit. If you still have any question, do not hesitate to let me know. See you there.